Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
So he cannot enter. I just want to enter 2000 submit current lot. There is a buffer I have kept. The value entered here improves your previous bidding and ceiling value by more than 10%. It gives you one name. He can enter. 4500 means he can only enter like 2000. Submit current lot. To close. So we are supporting that bid there. So 3400. Once he submitted, he is in green zone. Your bid will not be considered in the bid selection cycle. So let's go to the other sub-players. What is this? Let me show you. 4500. Let's check. This guy is red. Okay, now you are seeing that the competition is happening between these two suppliers. Suppose he wants to take a lead bid. What is the price he needs to enter? System will suggest it. Click on it. Lead bid. Click on OK. 2400 with the rules which you have set up. There is a 1000 is the margin. So this bid to the other bid cannot be entered. So then he can clear submit current lot to take the lead bid. It has been submitted. We cannot maintain this correctly, otherwise it will show green and orange and other things also. In this case, you still can see new bid which is showing as a 829. And it will also take best value bid and he can able to have a chance. I am stopping at the seller and seeing from the buy-in point how the bid is happening. Go to the auction. Suppliers. So these two people have participated. You will also added one table, one tab with console when you are conducting an auction. So it will clearly tell who is the lead bidder, who has participated. What is the price? It is happening and the lead bid will be 2400. And from here you can see all the additional details also. Go to the content. So the response, as you can see, this price is 2400. This price is 4500. Like that, even other supplier, even to take a lead bid, he will be getting an offer to participate. This is a competitive bidding in order to take lead bid. So it is 1400. If we can able to accept this price, he can able to decide it. Otherwise, he will withdraw from submitting his bid, and whoever is giving the lowest bid will be awarded. 2400 x 10,000, 24,000 US dollars. Actually, I have set up wrongly in the ceiling price. I have kept as a 5,000. That should have been 10,000. Only the bid decrement value. I should have changed it. Because of that reason, it is not allowing me to enter the price more than 5,000. And also I have kept a buffer limit to protect the lead bid. So, for example, one supplier has submitted a bid of 3,000. It has a 1,000 as a buffer. So that means next supplier cannot give a value near to 3,000 minus 1,000, 3,000 plus 1,000. Between this region, this ring, another supplier will not be given. That's the reason when I am taking a lead bid less than the 1,000. It is allowing me to enter a value. These are all bidding rules which we can able to configure when we are submitting an event. So before you go into auction, it is highly recommended you do a practice with your test suppliers. And make sure it is working fine, then go for auction. As I mentioned, auction is something kind of a legal, not legal, it is some structured way. If you are making some with live auction event, then your reputation will be lost from the market. So to avoid that you will be doing this one. And as I mentioned during auction event, you can also take support from Ariba. Hey, I mistakenly entered this one. I want to change it. So then, Ariba will help you to change this event. Even if I don't. Generally we won't see this passing, and we will only see either cancel or stop event. See if I can able to edit those values. Stealing price, I want to say 10,000. Click on next. This is the first time I am doing. Let's see if I am able to. Okay, what is it? Stealing price. I have changed. Okay. Okay. Partly 7 is remaining for the puzzler. Let's go to another subnet quickly whether we can take leave. Okay, the price has already entered, so he will not be able to take. He will be lowest. 4,000, 1,000. Anyway. So he is not taking any chance then. Last minute, which we have mentioned earlier, I will just submit a current bid. You can see this will be extended. You can see that overtime has been triggered because I changed last 3 minutes of my event and he becomes a lead bid. I think he is showing the rank of bidding as a number, 1 ringer and another 2 minutes of time. 3 minutes of time got extended. Okay, so this is about how you conduct an auction. So we have seen RFI and RFP and auctions. Now let's focus on template creations. In order to do the template creation, you will be going to the main edge and click on templates. For template creation, you need to be a member of Template Creative Role or Template Project Group. So that means once you click on a template again, it will take you to the second folder. You need to be a member of this team. Either you need to be a member of this team or you need to be having a role called Template Creative Role. Template Creative Role, then you will be having access to this and in real time. This will be given only to the.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.